Hey, welcome to the Thunder Knob Trailhead. A very hazy day here today. I'm here with family from Virginia and some friends from the islands. And we're going to be doing this trail because, as you can see, the smoke haze has almost everything else unhikeable. So thanks for coming along.
I pulled one lady in the cave.
Just a lot of trails and picnic areas and things like that.
So these are red huckleberries. A little tart, but when you mix them with a nice blackberry, it makes a great pie. So that is Colonial Mountain there.
Do you see him much?
Down there.
Did you see all those big mounds of soil in one place?
So through the haze there, you would be seeing the Diablo Dam right about there. And then there's the little research center.
We should all learn tax.
Is located down there, and that's where the ferry also takes you across Diablo Lake. The smoke haze makes it really hard to see, doesn't it? So here's the main overlook, and you can see right across Diablo Lake the famous highway overlook with picnic tables and everything. Look at that. Yeah. Any message for the audience? Did you like the hike?
Hike it. It's wonderful.
Great hike.
Try it when it's not smoky.
It's a great place to be with your friends and family.
Thanks for coming along.